Hello guys, this is Mohammad Sadiq Odo. Today we are going to start complete tutorial course of JavaScript programming language. Before we start, we will talk about prerequisites to start JavaScript programming language course. For this JavaScript tutorial, it is assumed that you should have prior knowledge of HTML and CSS. If you are not familiar with HTML and CSS, then don't worry. You may learn HTML and CSS video tutorials at my YouTube channel named Sindhi Tutorials. Here is the introduction of JavaScript language. We will go through these topics. What is JavaScript? Difference between JavaScript, HTML and CSS. What JavaScript language can do. JavaScript is an object-based script language that is lightweight and cross-platform. JavaScript is not a compiled language. Browser is responsible to render JavaScript code. We will check more deeply to clear these concepts next. Object-based scripting language. What does mean by object-based scripting language? In JavaScript programming language, everything is based on objects. Any object can have constructors, functions, properties. Cross-platform. Cross-platform feature gives the programmers ability to write once and run on any platform. Lightweight. What does mean by JavaScript language is lightweight programming language. The term lightweight in programming language, which means simpler and faster. Not a compiled language. Compiled programming language has to compile first, then run intermediate code. These languages are faster than scripting programming language. A scripting programming language has to interpret without translating code into the intermediate code. These languages are slower than compiled programming languages. Difference between JavaScript, HTML and CSS. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language that is used to create content of web page like input and button. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets that is used for design of a web page. Set the background color in input or set the background color of the button. JavaScript is used to define interactive elements of web page. Like clicking on the button, it shows text. Some bit button is clicked. What is JavaScript language can do? JavaScript can change the HTML content. JavaScript can change the HTML attribute values. JavaScript can change HTML style CSS. JavaScript can hide the HTML elements, and JavaScript can show HTML elements as well.